My name is Nick Feuerstein. I'm the National Sales Director for Ecolution Design, based here in Walker, Michigan. So at Ecolution Design, we believe that partnering with suppliers that have a strong core around their sustainability is very important to us.
My name's Johanna Starkie, and I'm the ABM here at Camira and Luna Textiles in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Sustainability is really the core of what we do here at Camira. Most of all of our fabrics are made using recycled materials like wool, hemp, recycled polyester, fabrics made from post-consumer oceanic waste. So I think working with Ecolution has been such a meaningful and fun collaboration for us at Camira. Their commitment to sustainability is totally in line with what we stand for. So many of our yarns are GRS certified, which ensures recycled content and responsible sourcing, and we conduct regular audits to maintain ethical and environmental standards. So by tracking materials from fiber to fabric, we offer partners like Ecolution confidence in the sustainability story behind every product that we supply them with.
A recent example that we had with Camira that really drove around sustainability is we were working with a major automaker right here in Michigan, and they really wanted to find a partner that could support them locally, all the local sourcing and manufacturing to reduce their carbon transit emissions. So we found Camira and partnered with them on all of their most sustainable fabrics to deliver them a great result.
This collaboration is a really powerful example of what's possible when two like-minded companies come together with a shared commitment to sustainability.
We're setting a new standard for what the built environment should be, and that together we're proving that great design and environmental responsibility can and must go hand in hand.